good morning. Hello. We are going to get started in our morning work. So if you would please grab your morning workbook and something to write with and meet me on page 49. Let me get the camera while you're doing that. Oh, it doesn't want to let me. There we go. Okay. So we're on page 49. And this is going to be a short video because I'm just going to go over what you're supposed to do today, and then you're going to finish it on your own, and we're going to correct it tomorrow. Okay? So let me get a little bit closer here. It says, read the sentence. If it has correct capitalization, circle correct. If it has capitalization errors, circle incorrect and rewrite the sentence correctly. Okay? So we're going to read through the sentence, and if every word that should have a capital letter is capitalized, you're going to circle correct. But if it is not correct, you're going to circle incorrect, and you're going to rewrite it correctly. And what I usually do is I mark up here with those three little lines. So if I have McDonald's written down in lowercase letters, that's wrong because it's a proper noun. So I underline it 3 times so I know to rewrite it correctly as McDonald's. Yeah, both of those should be capitalized. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Avery wants to shop for a gift for Mother's Day. Avery wants to shop for a gift for Mother's Day. Is this correct? Are all the words that should be capitalized capital? Or are there some incorrect ones and you need to fix it? Once you mark the ones that should be capitalized, then you're going to rewrite it correctly on this line. The students make the classroom pretty for Valentine's Day. The students make the classroom pretty for Valentine's Day. So are all the words that should be capitalized capitalized? If they are, then you'll circle correct. If they are not, you're going to circle incorrect, and you're going to rewrite the sentence correctly. A way to remember which words should be capitalized is to always make your little marks under there. That way, when you go back, you can see which ones you're supposed to capitalize. All right, under math, complete the math equations using the numbers in the box. So the answers are going to be 7, 8, 9, 11, 14, and 40, but you have to plug them into the problems that they fit. So 35 divided by 5, which one is the quotient? Remember, quotient is an answer to a division problem. So which one is the quotient? 81 divided by blank equals 9. Okay, so which one is the divisor? Which one we're dividing by? The opposite would be 9 times what is 81? Blank divided by 4 equals 10, or 10 times 4 equals, which one's the dividend? 24 divided by what divisor is 3? Or 3 times what is 24? What divided by 7 is 2, or 2 times 7 is what? 11 divided by 1 is what? Or this answer times 1 would be this. Okay? There's only one answer for each one, so you should be using those up there once for each one. All right? Then we're going to go to our reading. Read the text. Make a picture in your mind. Then complete the sentences as if you are the speaker in the story. You. So thinking about yourself. All right. The sentences, I would smell, and you're going to say what you would smell. I would hear, what would you hear? I would feel, what would you feel? So they've already started our sentences for us. It's a busy day at the grocery store. The baker has fresh bread for customers to buy. Every shelf is full of yummy foods in colorful packages. There are boxes of cereal and cans of soup, piles of fresh apples, broccoli, and other fruits and vegetables are ready to be purchased. Clerks stand behind the cash registers. Shoppers push carts. I go to the seafood section. Okay, I'm going to read it a little quicker this time. It's a busy day at the grocery store. The baker has fresh bread for customers to buy. Every shelf is full of yummy foods in colorful packages. There are boxes of cereal and cans of soup. Piles of fresh apples, broccoli, and other fruits and vegetables are ready to be purchased. Clerks stand behind the cash registers. Shoppers push carts. I go to the seafood section. So, you're here in this store. Think about all the things that were mentioned. What would you smell? What would you hear in the store? What would you feel in the store? All right. So that is all we're going to do for right now. You're going to work on this page for today, and we are going to correct it tomorrow and go over our next page. All right. Now, everyone should be doing these morning work pages every school day. There shouldn't be a day that you skip doing anything in those. So you should be making sure you're doing them every day. All right, guys, that is all for our morning work, and I will be heading over to vocabulary. So I will see you in vocabulary.